Hello friends, welcome to our channel Techcorner where we break down the complex topic into bite-sized, easy to understand pieces. So today we are going to discuss about the industrial automation. What is really an industrial automation? What is the scope and the career opportunities that lies in industrial automation? So this is actually based on the comments which we are getting. We generally get comments based on this. People generally ask to make videos on this career opportunities and the scope which an industrial automation lies. Actually, this comment we generally receive in our Malayalam channel. So definitely we believe that even in the English channel also the people would really like to watch this video. So before starting the video, please do subscribe and press the bell button so that you will be getting all the videos whenever we post on time. So let's start the video. So we will see first what we are going to look today. So industrial automation plays a pivotal role in revolutionizing the manufacturing and process industries. It involves the use of advanced control system, robotics, and other technologies to enhance efficiency, productivity, and safety. So today, we will explore the vast scope and the promising career opportunities in the field of industrial automation, shedding the light on the key technologies, applications, career paths, and industry trends. So this is what we are going to look today. So let us understand what is an industrial automation is. So industrial automation refers to the use of control systems such as computers or robots to handle various processes and machinery in an industry to replace a human being. So let me make it simple. So what industrial automation is that we are designing a device or a thing, a machine which can do the task which a human can do with more precision, more accuracy. To bring some, to make it clear, I will bring some examples as well. So if you look at an e-commerce company, so what happens is that earlier, the people, when we order a material, when it will get packed and it will be lying to dispatch or it will be lying to take into the transportation vehicle. So what the people will do, people themselves will read the pin code. They will see which location it has to go. They will sort it out. So if it is from South India, it will sort in South India. If it is to North India, they will sort it in North India. So this was the process which were done earlier before the industrial automation was there. So if you can even just think about it, if a person, how much a person can do in an hour, maybe 60 or 100 or 200 materials, they can read it out. They can understand, okay, this pin code should go to North India. They will throw it there. And the efficiency, so people may, if even their brain may be telling to throw there, they may throw there to the left or right side. If a throwing or even the speed of the throw varies, means the location itself is changed. Maybe the material which is supposed to go to North India will go to South India, South India goes to North India, and at the end, last, there is no proper tracking. So how can a system track whether this shipment is gone to north or west, north, south, until it reaches the final destination or reaches the distribution hub while they scan? Till then, there is no status of this material, right? Only they can know material has received the warehouse, but after that they don't know where it is actually gone. So it was like not a proper system. It creates a lot of issues and people never get materials on time. Now you can see even one day you will get the materials. Earlier, even 5 days, they will not, even 10 days, multiple mails. People were not even confident in ordering the materials because of all these delays and all. So once the industrial automation comes, we have parcel sortation machines as well, right? So what it does, it has a camera system. It can automatically read the barcode from that, and it is integrated to their WMS or the software database. From there, they can easily recognize which shipment is which location it has to go, and which bin it has to be sorted out. So according to the instruction, the automated instruction, our machine will perform in such a way that it will exactly sort on the particular location, and it will directly dump into the bags, the mother bags, where people just once it is full, they just tie it out and they just ship it, move it to the transportation vehicle, right? So in this case, you can see, and even earlier a man performs around 200, 300, a machine can even perform 7,000 or 16,000 in an hour shipment sortation. So see the difference. It is like 100 times the efficiency a manpower can give, and the efficiency is more perfection is more, and accuracy is more. So definitely this is the importance of industrial automation. And even if you see the example in an automobile industry, we know like the vehicles are made in the assembly line process, right? From the scrap it is starting, from the base it starts on one end of the line, and once it reaches the other end of the line, the complete vehicle with the everything ready to quality test will be there. Even the quality test will be also done at the end of the line. So from the line start to end, a single process, complete car is being manufactured in one line of operation. This actually was an industrial revolution. This reduces the vehicle cost drastically. And even Ford, the Ford and the Ford and the Ford Echoes, but the Ford actually invented this assembly line technology, just for your information. So this assembly line technology has also a lot of role in robotics. And even if you see many videos nowadays in the YouTube, you can see the a car is painted by a robot, a car's nut bolt is tightened by a robot, even many things, initial quality check is done by a robot. So all both things are robot, and conveyors, lines. So all these are a closed system. So these all are called actually industrial automation. If you see, and second point is showing the same, it enhances efficiency and productivity. The primary goal of industrial automation is to streamline and optimize this process, leading to increased efficiency, higher production output, and improved product quality. Now let us see the key technologies or the elements which are actively involved in the industrial automation. The first one is PLC, programmable logical controller. We will be doing each one of as a differentiated detailed video in the coming videos. What is PLC, what is robotics, what is sensors, all the videos will be done on the coming next videos, it will be there. So PLC is like ruggedized computers used for automating electromechanical process such as control of machinery on factory assembly lines, amusement rides, or light fixtures. So in simple, PLC is a controller. Like we should give some inputs. Like if suppose sensor is an input, if a sensor gives an input to the PLC, we can write logics in it. So if we are telling if two inputs comes, then the motor should run, right? So PLC can be programmed in such a way that when the two inputs come, automatically an output will be generated, and output will be connected to a motor, and motor will get driven. So like this is a simple logic of a PLC. So in this way we can make multiple logics, differential, complex, closed loop logics, many things. Like this is just a basic. So PLCs are the devices which can be programmed according to the requirements and according to the inputs which is given to the PLC. A specific amount of outputs can be generated as per the logic. So this is what a PLC does. And second is robotics. Robots play a crucial role in industrial automation by performing tasks that are repetitive, hazardous, or require high accuracy and reliability. So wherever the high accuracy or reliability or the efficiency we require, we can use robotics, right? The initial cost will be definitely more, but if you look the long-term aspects, the cost will be reduced because manpower, the efficiency, the productivity is 100 times than like normal human being, right? So robotics is the second part of industrial automation. And sensors. Sensors are essential for gathering data on environmental changes and transmitting that information to controllers for analysis and response. So as we know, like we have to give some triggers to get activated, do something task, right? For us, our brain, when we see something, we will perform some actions, then we will do something, right? If we see a thing, okay, switch, we will ourselves execute the task, like we should switch it on or switch it off, right? So there should be some inputs for even us for informations as well. So sensors are one of the input device which gives, there are lots of input devices. Switches is an input devices, encoders are input devices. So even output devices are lights, motors. So lots of things are involved in it, but primarily if we differentiate it, PLC, robotics, and sensors are the main technologies which is used in industrial automation, which is more common to every sector. So every sector we can see every robotics or industrial automation project we can see sensors. And let's see about the application of industrial automation. First one is manufacturing process. I already told you, in a vehicle manufacture, assembly line technology, everywhere it is used, right? It's widely used in manufacturing to improve production efficiency and product consistency. So consistent amount of products, we can even right now even a lack of vehicles are being manufactured in a year by any of the warehouses, like by any of the factory, right? So this is definitely because of the industrial automation technology they adopted. And process industries, even the chemical, petrochemical, pharmaceutical industries to control complex production process, even pharmaceutical, like for medicines, the batch mixing plants, how it should be, how what the ratio it should be mixed, how it should be packed, how it should be wrapped, how it should be labeled, how it should be lodged in the logistics part, how it should be dispatched, how much boxes should be inside a big box or a big container. So all those things we are using industrial automation technologies. And third is energy management. So it also plays instrumental in managing the production, distribution, and consumption of energy, as well as integrating renewable energy systems. So just in detail, energy management, I will tell you. Nowadays, if you see at any of the substations or even in the generating stations, people just need to sit on the operating room, right? They can see entire things, voltages, what is the voltage it is being generated, what is the current, is there any fault, what are the temperature right now, it is how it is the oil level, everything can be seen on the computer with the use of SCADA, supervisory control and data acquisition. In a system, we can take all the feedbacks of the even you can even control the things. So you can start the if you want to start a generator in far away from the room, the industrial automation technology, we can start it away just by a click on the mouse or on the keyboard, right? So it is possible nowadays because of this industrial automation. And manufacturing, what is the scopes we are doing? Like assembly line, as I already told you, there are lots of scopes because automation streamlines assembly processes, leading to higher precision and faster production cycles. So definitely industrial automation has a lot of scope in manufacturing, especially in assembling and quality control. Enhances the accuracy and consistency of quality control processing. It can even ensure like every product is made, because if you see, if you program a machine to make a product with a X into Y, so 100 times if the machine works also, it will make X into Y. There won't be X.1 into Y.1. That accuracy is already there. If we are doing that, there are a lot of chances, because one product will be slightly different than the other. But in this industrial automation case, since machine is being performing the task, you will get, if you are giving Y product as the output, you will get the Y product for even 100 times. Even if you have some issues, there are feedbacks which will be notifying you that this system doesn't perform 100%. So this would be having issue. You can directly check the concern, and you can stop the production. You can ensure that this is being done, because instead of delivering manufacturing 100 vehicles with the same issue, you can even detect the issue initially and we can solve it out. So which even reduces the loss which you are having. And scope in process industries, it's control and optimization of complex processes. Automation optimizes the complex processes in industries like chemical and pharmaceutical, ensuring precision and repeatability. So it's clear. And monitoring variables. It enables real-time monitoring of critical variables like temperature, pressure, flow, ensuring operational safety and efficiency. So as I told you, even there are a lot of feedbacks which we can see every parameter like pressure, temperature, flow, what is the water flow, or even anything like any we can measure and we can get the feedback. Even if it's analog or digital, we can get it in the room and we can easily diagnose it, and which will even create the safety and efficiency. If there is a leakage in the paint stock with the industrial automation, we can easily find it out, right? So there are technologies we can do that. So if we get like accident, a big accident can be reduced just because of industrial automation. So that's then scope in energy management. Yeah, smart grids and renewable energy systems, as I told you. So it plays a vital role in managing and integrating smart grids, renewable systems, contributing sustainable energy practice. Because if we have multiple sources of energy generation, like solar, generator, the raw sub power, so if you want to integrate all the three, we can easily integrate nowadays. We can even track the value, like how much power has been generated by solar, how much power we utilize the raw, how much generator, how much diesel it get used. So everything data we will get it in one hand. Even in phone you can get all this data. That is the technology right now. And career opportunities, so this will be the main thing you will be looking on. I definitely know that, because career is most important thing. So in career opportunities, you can start the career as an automation engineer or an application engineer, where I started my career as an application engineer. So you can even start as an automation engineer or application, where you can actually that job is a little bit very interesting because you have the role in every aspects, like in designs, development, installation, commissioning, testing. So all the particular fields you will be looking at, so you will get overall knowledge in the particular field. So I definitely prefer to like use to suggest automation engineer and robotics engineer. Like robotics is also another important part of industrial automation. These professionals focus on the design, construction, and operation of robots and robotic systems of various industries. So these are the two primary opportunities, and there are a lot of opportunities as well. Even the designing part, design engineer is there, SCADA engineer is there, then PLC engineer or automation engineer, where testing is there, panel manufacturing is there. So there are lots of opportunities and more careers. SCADA engineers as well. SCADA is where we can even see and control a system in a screen, right? So that is there. And project manager oversees the planning, implementation, tracking of industrial automation projects. So project manager is also a good position to make your career in industrial automation. And see, like obviously, as I already told you, the industries are in the evolution of automation. So almost every industry is now dreaming to be completely automated it soon, right? So definitely, if one, there are demerits as well. So the unskilled people's job will be at risk if the industrial automation evolves. Definitely it is there, because that actually happens whenever the things are growing. We should also get updated. If you are not updated, then definitely it will just hit back us, right? So but in the other way, it is even increasing the opportunity of high skilled or the skilled people, and even the high we can even train the low skilled people to operate these things. So definitely there are even options, possibilities. It's not like it is completely disinteresting. So definitely the industries are in the evolution of automation. I believe that India will be soon, all the factories will be 100% automated. So this is the trends which we are seeing right now. So I hope the basics of industrial automation is clear. We will be anyway discussing all these in detail. And if you want particular topic to be discussed in detail or more, or even other topics which you want us to explain, please do really comment your opinion. Even if you like this video, please do comment, so that since this is Techcorner English is new channel, we really expect your feedback, your positive and negative, so that we can also improve ourselves to make it better and make you easily understand the things, and which will somehow impact your life in positive way. This is what we believe. So definitely please do comment. So until then, bye, thank you.